I was drinking when I found out. Got my heart broken again. I just couldn't see it coming, but we both knew this would end. And I wish I didn't have to say that you didn't mean a thing. We had nothing in common, but we kept holding on to it. So I take my broken heart, throw it in the shopping cart, let the world rip it apart, 'cause that's all I'm good for. And I keep crying, what the hell? This is not what I deserve. Now my soul is filled with dirt, and my mind is filled with hurt, and this song will fill the world. And I wish I didn't have to say that you didn't mean a thing. We had nothing